Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So on our website, you may have created an interactive art project, or maybe you're working on it right now. When you press the green flag, it makes it so that when you click on different parts, it's going to do something different in your project. So when you click, they might talk, etc. Okay, so wherever you click on this piece of art, it's going to do something different, but you have to click in order to make it work. Now I want to show you another neat idea, and this neat idea is actually called Cool Interactive Art by Colin OMC, and I include a link in the description if you want to check it out, which I recommend you do. When you press the green flag, you actually don't have to click anywhere to make it do something. So you actually just hover over it, and then it will do something if you happen to find something that is interactive. Okay, so I thought that was a really neat idea. So it was a different way of making artwork interactive without actually having to click on it. All you have to do is just move your mouse over it. So if we click see inside and check out the code for this, you can see that it's waiting to see if it's touching the mouse pointer, forever doing that, and then it's going to do something. Otherwise, it's going to not do that thing. And so it's very similar code for each one of these sprites that actually has motion or some kind of a change whenever you move your mouse over it. So you just check to see if touching, you do something, otherwise you do something else. So if you want to create a project like this, make sure you check out the links in the description. And if you want me to share a project that you have created on our channel, make sure you comment below a link to your project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.